Here we have our burn trailer. This one here is a hearth model. It's a very popular model to have put in front of a fireplace. It goes on the mantle. That is a 90,000 BTU stove. We'll do up to 2,000 square foot. Everything, all the components are inside. On top there is a lid. This is where your coal would go. And this is where all your electronic components are. And again, this is our flat grate design. As you can see, the grate is flat. There's no slant. We have that. That is a patented design of ours. You can also direct vent these too. They call that a ZC. Same features. Everything's the same except for it is a direct vent. And you can get these designs that are in the doors, the inserts. We can make designs to what you would like. We have the wolf, the deer scene. We have a bald eagle. We have a floral thing. You go on to www.keystoker.com and there's a selection there. You can see what type of templates we have for the inserts. Here we have a stove, freestanding stove, which this is a 90,000 model. We do have a 105,000. Will look exactly the same. And again, all of our stoves have a flat grate design. We also, on these stoves, we have a patented design for our chimney. There are tubes that we have designed that we get about 90% efficiency burn with these stoves. The boiler units will be a slack grate. We have not made a flat grate design for that yet. We're in the process of trying different things. So always check into keystoker.com. We're always working on new products all the time.